Hi guys, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove the background of your picture easily. So if you want to edit your thumbnail for your YouTube videos, this is the simplest way to do it. So first, go to your mobile phone's browser and go to this website, remove that bg/upload. And this is the website. Tap on upload and select the photo that you want to edit. Automatically, this website will remove the background of your photo. And there you have it. Easy peasy. Just have to download it and automatically it will go to your gallery. Let's open it, and this is our finished product. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe.